Welcome, group. It is Friday after your turkey day. You're recovering from your turkey day while I am in here to video for you what I was going to show you on Monday, how to use a photo gate to measure instantaneous velocity. You may have heard I'm going to be gone all week due to a bit of a family emergency, but if you have any questions, don't hesitate to message me on Schoology because I will be in touch. First and foremost, if you notice in the back of the classroom, right next to your Chrome cart, there is a PC cart. You have to use the PC with the photo gates because that's the only thing the photo gates are compatible with. Second, you're going to have to attach your photo gate to a ring stand, as you will see there, with the clamp. And how I determined what height my photo gate should be is it's at the same height as the top of my car. And thank you, 5th periods group. You're going to be my sample car today. This is actually a pretty handy setup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the car under the photo gate so you'll see that the top of his head goes right through there, and as he moves through, the red light turns on and turns off. When the gate is blocked, the light's on. When the gate is unblocked, the light is off. That's how a photo gate works. It measures the time the gate is blocked. So when you get your photo gate set up, as you see here, you are going to open your PC, sign in, and open up Logger Pro. And you're going to get this set up. Now, this next part is really important because if you don't do this, the timing won't be correct. If you go to Experiment, Set Up Sensors, LabQuest Mini 1, you will get this menu here and you'll have your photo gate. Now, you want gate timing. That tells you how long the gate is blocked for just that moment in time, rather than measuring the whole entire motion of something that is going underneath the photo gate. So, after you hit gate timing, you go to set distance or length. So you want to know how long the object will be that is going to be blocking that photo gate sensor. In the case of Mr. 5th period crash test dummy, you will be blocking the sensor by the diameter of his head. So I measured the diameter of his head and I estimated it to be about 4.71 centimeters long. So I go back here. Notice I can change this to centimeters, or, oops, maybe I can't. I guess I can just do it this way. And then change this to 4.71 centimeters and hit OK. So that's telling me that the object that's running through the photo gate is going to be blocked for 4.71 centimeters. So then after you do that, you shut that off and everything's set up here for you. When you hit collect, the collect will happen for 30 seconds. That means you can do multiple trials with only hitting the collect button once. So it's feasible that you just keep on running your car under the photo gate and under the photo gate time and time again for 30 seconds. Now let's see how that is going to look in terms of data. So I'm learning here why you always need to do a lab with more than one person, because boy, this is hard to hold my phone and actually model this for you. So here is Mr. Crash Test Dummy. He's ready for a trial. You have your person who would be there, hit collect, and you let him run and hope he doesn't hit the photo gate. Try that one more time because the tires decided to not work for me. I hope I don't screw up your car, Dylan. And there he goes crashing into my document camera. So when you saw the light turn on and off when the car ran under the photo gate, here's what you collected. So 1 means that the sensor is blocked, 0 means the sensor's back open. So it entered the sensor at 1.839810 seconds, and it left the sensor about 0.052624 seconds after. And so what you're looking for here is the velocity. And when I scroll over, there's your instantaneous velocity in meters per second, 0.950 plus or minus 0.001 meters per second. Now, if I had run the car under there over and over again, what I would have seen is a series of data where I'd have a 1 here and a 0 here, and then a time, and then a 1 0 and a 1 here, a 0 here, and another time, and a whole bunch of velocities. So collecting 5 trials is really no issue whatsoever. So after you do this, to get your data all situated, you can either screenshot this, and since this is raw data, the screenshot can be sent to all of your table mates, or they can just take the time to take a picture of it themselves or type it into a Google Sheet themselves, and then there's your instantaneous velocities. Hopefully this is helpful. Again, if you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to message me on Schoology. I will be in contact because half of this trip is going to be on the road, so I can do that. And thank you so much. Have a good week.